Hello and welcome to another episode of Limmy Bashes. Today on Lemmy Bashes, I'm going to be wiring up some trailer lights on my motorcycle carrier. So I went down to Super Cheap and got some trailer lights, which have got some reverse lights in them. And I got a trailer plug and some 7-core wiring. So I'm going to try and make up a loom for that and test it out on the wagon, see if it works, and then chuck it on the carrier. I went and picked up my Land Cruiser 79 series rear springs and shockers today. So those shockers will have a fair bit more travel than the RTV ones that are in the wagon, and those springs should give me a little bit more lift as well. Handy little wiring diagram colour coding on the back. Should be very useful. Should make it work. Probably went a bit overboard with 10 metres of 7-core, but it'd have more than enough. Wiring's all done. Got my lights all mounted up. My connector's all pretty, all taped up, ready to go. So that's that little mini project done of my bike carrier trailer lights. So it'll be nice and visible now once I've got a bike on there and covering the tail lights on the wagon. I'll still be nice and safe and visible on the road. So that's all for this episode. Next episode I'll probably be doing my rear spring hybridization with the Land Cruiser springs, and so stay tuned for that. Ciao.